Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Zombotany 2. First, you need to understand the core objective. Protect your brain from waves of plant zombies. Begin by selecting your initial plants, then strategically place them on the lawn to establish your defenses. As the game progresses, collect sun to acquire additional, more powerful plants. This initial setup is crucial for a strong start against the incoming horde. Mastering plant placement is key to success in Zombotany 2. Position your offensive plants, such as pea shooters, in the front rows to deal maximum damage to approaching zombies. Remember to use defensive plants, like walnuts, to absorb hits and protect your damage dealers. Pay attention to different zombie types and match your plant choices to exploit their weaknesses, ensuring efficient use of your sun. To truly excel, consider some advanced Zombotany tactics. Prioritize upgrading your sun-producing plants, like sunflowers, early in each level to generate more resources quickly. Save your valuable plant food for critical moments, using it to unleash powerful, game-changing abilities when you need them most. Always be ready to adapt your strategy, as each level presents unique challenges and zombie combinations. For ultimate victory, experiment with various plant combinations to discover powerful synergies that suit your playstyle. Don't hesitate to replay levels. It's a great way to earn more coins and unlock exciting new plant varieties for your arsenal. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be a Zombotany master in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.